But we're going to have Terry come around and sing this song for you in the style of the king of country music, Mr. Roy Acuff. Make it welcome, Terry Eldridge.
Thanks, folks. It's for Mr. Acuff.
Ready?
What have you people thought I am thinking concerning that great speckled bird? Remember her name is recorded on the pages of God's holy word. Desiring to lower her standard, they watch every move that she makes. They long to find fault with her teaching, but rarely they find no mistakes. Get it, Charlie, come on. When he cometh descending from heaven on the clouds in his words that he writes, now be joyfully carried to meet him on the wings of that great speckled bird. Thank you. Thank you.
Terry Eldridge, mighty fine.
Thank you, folks. Thank you, children.